Well, hello there. My name is Mr. Jost, and I'm located at Central on Oaks, and I'm a virtual teacher for career and technology here at Central High School. I'm going to show you real quickly. You guys may already know this. If you are working on an assignment and where to go into that assignment, basically what I want to show you is the feature to write and copy notes. You may know this already. So you can highlight, and you can right-click and copy, okay, or you can write Control-C. And come on over here and paste. What that does is it pastes in your notes. When you hit save, if you got all the information, which I didn't, so let me redo that really quickly. Okay, just for demonstration purposes, and you put it right there. Okay, when I hit save, it puts it up there. What I can do now is use the handy dandy headphones and hit play. And you can play it there. If you highlight a certain area, it'll read there, or you can read it back over here as well. Okay. There you go. All right. So there's two places to read the information, and as you go through the information, you can add the more material to it as you go. Okay. What that does is it sets up your notes. It takes a little bit more time, but you're here. You know, might as well do it. Hit save. And it keeps adding to it. All right, so what's the purpose, Mr. Jost? Okay, if I had to find a keyword, let's say email, and I hit Control F, let me do that again, on my keyboard, the CTRL button plus the F brings up Control F and brings up the box, and now it's like the internet Google search engine box, and I can go in and write email, okay? Excuse me. And it'll pull up anything that has email. So when I'm looking for questions, I look for keywords, all right? So that's the first thing. The next thing I want to show you is, I'm just going to keep I know I have something in the control, is a natural reader. If for some reason you don't want to use the system here, you can use natural reader just to basically highlight and drop it there. It's a website, naturalreader.com, and it reads to you. It also increases speed really fast. And you can change voices. It's kind of fun. And you hit play, and you can save to an MP3 if we really get serious about it.
Email at work as a tool to solve many business problems. Email is an easy way to.
Okay, so that's another little helpful hint. The other thing is we can use outside sources for my classes. Now, I don't know about your other classes, how they work, but you might want to check with your virtual teacher. But with the CTE courses, you can go in there and copy and paste. Save this to your OneDrive. You know, save as, and hit your OneDrive. That way you can find anywhere if you're at home. So, you know, driving on your desktop. Now you can keep on copying and pasting your notes. Go to Control F, and then you can type in whatever you want to. Okay. So I'm looking for the word not. Oh, there's the word not. Notice. Okay. And you can do some keyword search, looking for the questions and reading and then finding it. So those are things to help you be successful for this class. Okay. And that's why I'm doing this video. So I look forward to you being successful. Keep on task. Keep progressing. The other thing was, look at those dates. Looks like we got a fresh new start here on going and doing. And if you might be a little bit ahead, but that's good. Well, you better jump on top of it and continue. If you get to the quizzes, the rule is you get one, and then after that you can retake it, but it can't be higher than a 70. So, you know, that's kind of a downer, but that gets you to go in there and do it kind of your open notes the first time and to do well. I'm proud of you guys. Keep working. Hang in there. Hang in there. Okay? Go Bobcats.